guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use CapCut to create stop motion videos. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. In this case, we first need to define what is a stop motion video. Well, a stop motion video are actually composed of multiple photos or multiple frames or still frames. Meaning, for example, if you want to animate something, well, you need to take a photo of its starting position and take multiple photos while it's actually moving to that specific location or in that specific action. Now, it's also really important to take note that your camera should be really still, or if you're moving your camera, make sure that it's actually strategically placed. Now, in this case, how do we start using those clips or photos into our CapCut project? So in this case, what you need to do is you need to open up CapCut here, create a new project, and from here you want to go to photos. Under photos, you need to go ahead and start adding your photos for your basically for your stop motion. Now, in this case, the way how it works in CapCut is the way you actually add photos will determine how a specific photo would appear. So, for example, if this is the first picture that we selected, it means that's the first one that's going to be added to the project. So in this case, what you need to do is you need to ensure that you select the clips accordingly on how you want them to animate. In this case, I'm going to select them, and usually the older ones are going to be the first clip or frame for your stop motion. So in this case, I'm just going to select them as is. So typically it's going to start to the right, to the and going to the left. Once you've selected them, go ahead and click on add. Now, from here, you could go and start adding like faces if you want to add faces into your clips. As you can see, it's actually quite long. So when we play this one, it's actually quite long. And again, if you want to add effects like faces or any kind of effect that you want to add to your clip here, go ahead and do that. But once you've done that, what we need to do is we need to export this. Instead of just instead of you actually manually adjusting the speed themselves, what you need to do is you need to export them because it's going to be a lot easier what I'm going to actually show you. Now, in this case, you just need to wait for them to actually export this one. This might take a while. Again, it is a lot easier. The method that I'll be showing you, it's a lot faster and easier for you. But first things first, make sure to add any effects that you want to add before you actually export this one, because you won't be able to revert any of those, or if you want to export it again, you could go ahead and do that. Let's go and click on done here, and from here let's go and create a new project. Now let's go to videos and select the video that we just created and just click on add. Now by default is going to be just a simple video that we created. It's going to be really slow. As you can see right now, it will go to the next clip or next frame. But in this case, what you need to do is you need to pause this one, select your clip here, and from here go to speed. Now the speed, go ahead and choose normal. And from here you want to select this around 60, depending on how fast you want to make it go. So for example, I want to go 60 here. Let's go and click on the apply button. And from here, once we actually play this one, as you can see, it's now going to be animated, which is something really cool. So in this case, you could go ahead and do that as well for the projects that you have. And yeah, so this is the easiest way to creating stop motion on CapCut. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.